Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States.
Picture this. You're faced with a challenge so great, success seems impossible. Yet, you pull through. You triumph. In English, we encapsulate this scenario with the idiom against all odds. This phrase is used to describe succeeding in something despite it being very unlikely. It's often used in situations where someone has overcome significant obstacles or when a situation has a very small chance of turning out positively. As an example, you might say, against all odds, he recovered from his illness. Or, she finished the project on time against all odds. It's a powerful way to express overcoming adversity. Mastering an idiom like against all odds can take your English to the next level. Against all odds can add flavor to your language learning and help you convey your thoughts more vividly. I'd love to hear how you've used against all odds in your conversations. Keep conquering the English language, overcome the barriers, and against all odds, you too will see that you have succeeded. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below if you found this idiom helpful. Bye for now.